Welcome to my channel Recipes by Soma.
If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel.
Today I'm going to make cheese grill sandwich. It's a very easy, yet again it's very tasty recipe. We have taken bread slices, some cheese slices and grated cheese, butter, add oregano half tablespoon to the grated cheese, add chilli flakes half tablespoon, mix it well.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Take a slice of bread, apply butter on the top of the bread slice. Now same we'll do with the other bread. Add cheese slice. Put grated cheese mix on the top. This is not an everyday recipe, yet again very tasty recipe. You can have it at home with very few ingredients required.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Applying butter on the top of the bread. Cover it with another slice of bread. This recipe is full of butter and cheese. You can either use grill or pan to make the sandwich. I have used a pan. Apply butter. Put the sandwich on the pan. We will put one more sandwich. We are applying butter on the other side.
Are you all my personal
The bread is well cooked from one side and has turned brown. Looks crispy. Applying little bit of butter on the top using the brush. Our sandwich is cooked from both the sides and is ready to serve. Cut the sandwich from the middle. We have cut into 2 pieces. Very easy and tasty recipe of cheese grill sandwich is ready. Now our second sandwich is also ready. We have cut it into 2 pieces. We can see the melted cheese over here. So guys, that was my way of cooking cheese grill sandwich. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. I have grated some cheese on the top. That makes it even more tasty and yummy. Please give it a try and let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching. I wish you all